This is an instructional video for the Forest Manufacturing Model 106 double blade curved sidewall and pipe covering saw. There are three main ways to use this machine. You can set it up to cut pipe covering. You can set it up to cut curved sidewall segments such as vessel insulation for relatively short radiuses like 4 or 5 feet. And you can set it up to cut long radius insulation up to, I think, 144 inches. So I've already done the first two. It'll help if you watch the short radius video first. The long radius video, we again use what we call the basket. The basket here is adjustable. It has, turn it around so you can see better. It has a total of 4 stringers. These middle 2 stringers are just supports. The outside ones have these wing plates to locate your material. They are bolted to these double tube cross plates. So there's bolts going through this gap into tap holes in the bottom of the stringer. That allows you to move all these in and out to accommodate whatever width of material you need to work with. So you set the basket up widthwise depending upon what material you're going to work with, what size of originating block you're working with. Then you mount this on the long extension arms. So the long radius basket supports are basically 12 foot long. One in here, they are pivoting, clamped to and pivoting on the turntable mounted to the carriage. Here, up near the blade, we mount a big piece of flat bar, about 10 inches wide, across to serve as a track, and we have casters here to support the ends. So we're pivoting on that end, supported here. You set the radius from this saw blade to your turntable just by moving this whole carriage back and forth to set your radius. Measure from the center point of this turntable, there's a hole there to mark, to this outer blade here. That gives you your, that would be equivalent to your vessel or tank radius. Then you can adjust the distance between these blades to whatever insulation thickness you're cutting. So the manual includes a pretty good breakdown of these, but you have this assembly of parts here, and the casters can be pitched to match whatever radius you're cutting. It's not critical, but it's a nice little thing. If you're cutting a sharp radius, you turn these sharp. If you're cutting a big wide radius, they're relatively straight, but it doesn't make a huge difference. What does make a difference though is having the carriage in the correct position according to your radius you're cutting, and having the clamp plates down on top of these bars to hold it in place. So if you have any questions about the operation of the Forest Model 106 or any of our other pieces of machinery, please feel free to call or email us here at Forest. Thank you. Have a good day.